Why you call her wifey? You said you're not married.
I thought it was going to be something really wrong.
Some years ago. I don't remember her name.
Let me see some of
No, don't.
like that.
Look at it.
How flexible was she?
Good morning, Philippines!
Maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag.
What is maayong buntag?
Good morning.
Good morning, everything family. Good morning, guys. So ngayon, nakapag-ready na kami. Pupunta na naman kami sa isang bahay, Saturday. So pupunta na naman kami sa isang bahay. Kapag ano ako kay Tami po ito, ang Tami said, "Oh, you're wearing my thing. Ah, you're taking my thing. Now I have to give everything back to him." Because every time I wear...
Yeah. Yap. When am I not buying this?
We're leaving soon, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys, so that camera is just keep going down. So if you guys are going down, that means we're done. That means there's no more. Did you get the...
Check them out. I didn't pick it yesterday.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Mortgage.
Taxes.
Huh?
Tax.
Hold it. I hold that. Forever. So, we are heading to nasa isang bahay na naman kasi para matapos na ito. Well, matagal pa itong matapos, guys, kasi hindi pa namin alam kung kailan mag-hire ng dumpster para one time tapon lahat, ganon. And maraming nagsasabi, there's a lot of you guys saying that why don't we do yard sale, why don't we do donate. Yard sale is pain in the neck, okay? So there Andrea did a lot of donation, right?
Yeah.
She's the one doing the donation, so we donate, but she did it because it's like we don't bother like donating. It's a pain in the neck. You go there, and also donating this time, it's really hard, I think, right, Han, because of COVID. Even toys, there's a lot of toys in the house, new, never open, and mga clothes, mga ibang gamit, ganon, dino-donate. So hindi na kami yung sa donation sa kapatid na ni Tami. So yan. Akala ko andito ng kapatid ni Tami kasi sabi pa niya alis daw sila. Pinakain lang ni Tami yung mga birdies kasi ang dami. So is that the train Isabel doesn't want?
Yeah.
So why she return it?
Because Andrea is supposed to take it.
So yun guys, magkunin lang natin ito. Sobrang ginaw ngayon araw talaga, as in yung hangin, yung temperature is grabe, as in yung sasakyan is naggaganon-ganon. Hubuin natin ito, hubuin. And ano pa ba? Ano bang gagawin? Punta ako sa bedroom. Let's go to the bedroom. We forgot to bring the bag.
What bag?
For the food, the freezer bag. Hindi ko alam kung si sister-in-law gusto niya magdala kami ng vacuum. Sinabihan niya ako last week, pero sabi din ko sa kanya, i-remind mo ako. So ngayon hindi niya ako nire-remind, nakalimutan ko. Tinitext, sabi ko sa kanya, aalis na kami, and then nag-reply siya matagal, and then yun niya siya nagpa-remind nang nakaalis na kami. Iniisip namin dito kung ano yung basura dito sa bedroom. Pero bago niyan, kunin ko muna tong kunin ko muna tong ano ni Tami. Kasi walang light. There you go. Mga ano ni Tami, tawag nito. Mga pagpilian ko to, dalhin natin sa bedroom. Sa bedroom namin. So dalhin natin. At pagpilian, yun, di ba? Aray. Bigat, guys. Ang bigat. Balik tayo dito sa old bedroom ni Mister. Ang gagawin ko dito is tignan kung alin yung dadalhin sa bahay. Itong mga ito. Mga records po ito, guys. Mga old records. So, yan. Dalhin yan sa bahay. Sa pabalik-balik namin dito, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin. The legendary Magic Elvis Presley. Isip na natin. May movie pala na ganito noon. Records. Look. Beverly Hills Cop. Movie. Paano to? The Honey Drippers. Hindi ko to alam ha. May mga movie pala na ano. Records ano. Mga Elvis man ito eh. May kanta din. Maliit na records. There's a lot of love letters you keep. And then, when I give you cards,
I
it's
never
missing.
threw out any cards, huh? So if they're gone, then you threw them out.
No, it's missing. I can't even find the cards I give
It
you.
was missing. I never threw out cards. So, if they're thrown out, because you threw them out.
No, I didn't throw any cards. I keep my cards that I give you and you give me. What is you looking over there? What are you bringing?
Dartboard?
Huh?
The dartboard?
I told you don't bring that. You'll be suffer. What the fuck is this? Why you call her wifey? You said you're not married.
I'm not married.
So why she said your wife?
People refer to themselves any way they like, huh?
So I guess you were married.
Whatever.
Because you said your wifey. No, do look at that. You whatever me because you don't want to answer the question. Wifey. What is that? Huh? Who is that? That's an old thing. You have to throw that out, eh? What is that?
Plug for it.
Fucking love letters. It hurts me. Ang daming love letter. Grabe. This woman is a freak. Ang dami nang nilagay ni Tami sa sasakyan. Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung mga dinadala niya. And itong kapatid ni Tami naman, sabi pa, pupunta siya dito 10 o'clock. Alis sila sa bahay ngayon. It's 12 o'clock na. So, hindi ko alam kung ito talaga, ano talaga itong kapatid ni Tami. Pumunta kami dito maaga para makapag-start. Ay, ginoo ko. What did you put in the car? That woman is a freak, Han. Han, what do you think, Han? Is she really a freak in real life?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Don't Angelo say this.
Why?
Who is she?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh, Jesus.
Who is she?
I thought it was going to be something really
from
wrong.
years ago.
What's
I don't
her name?
remember her
Let
name.
me see. Oh, some of
No,
them.
don't listen.
Let me see. Maybe I'll know.
What's her name, Han?
I don't remember.
Why is it naked?
All he remembers are the breasts.
She said the picture from the top of the beach in Florida.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Why you wanna keep it?
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Yeah. What the
Seriously,
hell? No, he just needs us, yeah.
Seriously, Andrea, you're the worst sister-in-law.
You thought he had no life? Are you serious? You thought just because he's old he didn't have a life?
Yeah. Han, who is this, Han?
My parents.
Han.
What?
Who is she? This one too.
I don't remember.
Look, this one, oh.
That's what you get for not cleaning your own damn room.
Her I remember.
Susan?
What the hell?
Oh,
Susan Alfaro.
Alfaro.
Who?
Susan Alfaro. Right?
Is that
She was
movie
singer.
thing?
No, she was a singer.
And there's more picture here. Han, can you get me pizza? You lucky, I'm not crazy.
You are crazy. We used to get pizza yet. You have to wait.
Hala.
Don't throw pictures away.
No. If there is a pass here, it's gonna go garbage.
No, if there's a pack like that, that's my pictures.
No, it's not yours. You're not here. It's all women.
I know. No, it's not all women.
Look, it's all women.
Let me see, please. Yeah.
Who is she?
Oh, I remember her.
Who is
I
she?
remember her name.
This is the problem when your husband is kind of old.
Yeah, you can't remember these things.
What the heck? Han, seriously. No, I don't want you to look it now.
Well,
Nah.
you can't throw it out until I see what you're
No, seriously. Now you're imagining shit. Puro babae. Okay pa kami guys. Nakakain na ako ng pizza dalawa. Busog. Busyog na busyog. Nandito si Tami sa kwarto ng ina niya. And what are you going to do with all your electronics in there? That's garbage, right?
No, it's not. I see the look on it. I get used to it.
Put all that in the box, in one box.
I don't have a box.
This is makeup. It's bad, huh? No, this one is too big. Okay.
Oh, what's that one?
No, there is a thing in there.
Well, then where's the box?
We don't have boxes. That's
Well,
the
then how
thing.
do you put it on? What does it say?
Okay, put that in there, but I'm not gonna. Don't put heavy stuff, huh? Okay, I'm
What
gonna.
does that one say? Did I say small?
Looks like smaller.
I don't know.
18 by 18. How about this one?
Say.
The same thing. The same thing.
Say, Lord.
Ang laki ng card galing sa ex ni Tami Lock. Malaki yung card lock.
You don't take shit before you come here? You don't take shit before you come here?
The biggest card.
You know, I found on Mommy's
May mga sulat pa guys, oh.
stuff down the basement. Yeah. When did the churches take that?
Want any lace and thread and stuff like that?
No.
Okay.
I was actually thinking I had thrown some of the stuff from the set. And there's a regular plate. Well, he said something about I didn't.
She's a giant, guys. She's taller than me.
A giant, all of 5'7".
You 5'7"?
5'7", yeah, a little over 5'7". I shrunk.
Oh,
I'm getting old.
you're gonna be like mom, 4'11".
That's right. She was 5'6".
Yeah, it said. She's the same as high as me.
But you know what? That's because she hunched over.
I like your room.
I love my room.
Because the sun is coming in.
Yep.
And you can see the neighbor.
More frames to get rid of.
You have a lot of frame.
Oh, yeah.
She have a lot of frame. She's throwing a lot of frame. Do you have Hadis ashes? Okay. Yeah, I have some already. Let me look. You wanna keep that?
This is going. It's like a potpourri bowl. This glass with the pewter top.
Oh, that's the top one.
You put like potpourri or scented stuff in it.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this is like this?
Yeah.
You cannot put candle here, no?
Well, you could if you wanted, I guess.
So now what you have to do here, because this is garbage, that furniture thing, except that thing, and this and this. So now you have to, what you gonna do with it?
Right.
You have to let go some of them. Okay? This is let go because you have tons already in the house.
That's a specialty printer.
God, everything is fucking... Hey, but you should look it now.
No, right now I'm going to the bathroom.
Ano yung sasakyan namin? Puno na. What the heck is this? Isabel is leaving. Okay guys, so dito na naman tayo. Ang daming anik ni Tami. So ngayon, itatapon na natin. Di ba pinakita ko sa inyo yung Harvard na box? Di ba sabi ko dalhin ko yung iba? Kasi, importante di ba? And then, mahal siya guys. So ngayon, ang ginawa, kinuha, sabi pa ng brother-in-law ni Tami. Sabi pa niya, dalhin daw niya sa bahay nila. Sabi ko, sabi ko, dalhin ko yan. Gusto kong i-keep kasi yung iba, yung pula, nandun sa bahay. Gusto kong i-ano sila, yung parang, gusto kong i-keep ba kasi sa future, maganda talaga siya. And then ngayon, sabi pa niya, no, sabi ko, sige na lang, kayo na lang, sabi ko, hindi may tsura yung mukha ko. Kasi nasa bahay na yung iba. Kasi sabi pa niya, kailangan ko yung dalhin sa bahay. Ako na lang yung mag-gift kasi 1,000 ang presyo. Dahil, ano daw, mahal kaayo. Mahal daw. So, ngayon, yaon, siya na yung kumuha. And then, meron akong final dito. May nakita akong pula. Kasi kasama yung mga pula niyan andun sa bahay, diba? So, ngayon, tinitignan niya yung pula. Sabi ko, dalhin ko yung pula kasi andun na sa bahay yung iba. Sabi ko, naano tuloy ako. Ito yung mga anik ni Tami. So, yun. Pero, I will keep some. I think, alis kami ng maaga. Kasi, susunod daw sila sa bahay. Kapatid ni Tami. Kasi nagkarga sila sa likuran ng sasakyan nila. So, ngayon, sunod-sunod daw sila. I think, ilang container na yung nasa bahay. Marami na. As in. Pag-isipan na lang talaga. Iwan ko itong kapatid ni Tami. Gusto niyang kausapin yung si Tami kung kailan mag-rent ng dumpster para matapo na lahat. Pero, wala pa talaga. Yeah, if I do that, I rip smaller pieces.
Yeah.
Look at her, guys. She's a paper lady, you know.
Yeah, she loves doing this.
Yeah.
It's pretty mindless. Just fucking what I want.
That's who she is, a paper. There's more paper upstairs, Andrea.
Yeah,
in the bag.
and in the attic too.
There's no more than-
There's 2 boxes in the attic of Louis and Tommy's. As a matter of fact, you should make him while he's sitting here. You should make him go through the stuff.
No, you do, Louie.
No.
No, he won't do it. You know
No,
that.
then he could throw it away. I don't care. I went through all that. I carried tons and tons of books down. No.
Ay, nako. Look at, this is my sister-in-law, guys.
That's right.
This is the reality. Me and her, it's being real. The reality of my life.
The other bitch.
This is
The
like
question is, are you the other bitch or am I the other bitch?
you are the other one.
That's right, because you're the main one. Bitch.
But we always do this even before, right? We're like,
The stupid shit?
yeah, we see something crazy.
Yes. A mindless activity.
Oh my God! So your husband will keep all that?
What?
He will keep all that.
I don't know. You gotta ask him. Listen.
We are leaving. What time is it now?
And
5:30 na.
my mother has a box of beef and stuff.
Guys,
Who's younger?
guys, this is what we do. We're talking about my husband.
It's very hard to do.
Ganito yung kami, guys. We're talking about.
And of course, he just walked in and heard it.
Yeah,
anyway, so.
andito na kasi siya. He's here. Right, Han?
No.
The one.
Hey, I saved something for you, but I can't tell you. She was trying to get me to. She tried to disguise something and give it to me to throw away.
No, the freaking naked woman is over there.
What are you, Playboy magazines? I'm like, oh no, you're not putting
Guys,
this on me.
he has a lot of Playboy magazine. What did you do when I'm not here? What did you do when I'm not here?
Well, you knew that from the pictures. You need the magazines. You do that from the pictures.
Seriously, honey,
Now
now
what?
I'm crazy.
Now, see?
Do you want me to sit down and talk to you about his past?
Explain the birds and the bees.
He told me already. I asked him details.
So then why? Oh, I don't know. Details. I don't want to
I don't
know
do details.
I asked.
Curious
And I'm
about
stu-
details?
And I'd be stupid enough
Not
to give
detail.
details.
Detail is crazy.
Yeah, I don't do details.
No, not details. Details.
What kind of details? Like that?
Look at guys.
How flexible was she?
Who's tail?
Okay.
Who's tail?
Okay, let's go na, Han. I don't wanna know.
No, because the car's running.
Oh God. I'll do it. Hold on. Is that on always? Okay.
That's their life.
Okay. Bye. You're gonna follow us? No, I'm the one driving. Okay guys, halis na kami. So, punta daw sila sa bahay. Hi guys! So ngayon, kanina it's 8:30 na. Kanina pa kami nakauwi. And kanina pa. And ngayon, kakaalis lang nila. Hinatid lang ni Tami sa labas. Yung kapatid at brother-in-law niya. And yun, kanina, nag-usap lang kami dito. Nag-inom-inom ng wine doon. So, usap-usap tungkol sa family nila. Ganun, mga nakaraan. Yung mga yung buhay nila. Kasama yung lola at auntie, ganun. Nag-usap-usap, and then ang saya. And then, plano ko guys, sabi ko sa sister-in-law ko na, plano na, bago mabinta yung bahay, mag-dinner kami doon, the whole family. Doon sa sa bahay ni Bianan. Bago mabinta. Like, parang panamilit ba sa Bisaya pa, manamilit sa bahay. Kasi, yun yung bahay na talagang kinalakihan nila, binili ni Bianan nila. So, yun. So, mag-gather-gather kami doon before. So, yun yung plano ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, gawin natin yan. Kasi nakakaano din, no, nakakamiss yung bahay. Kahit hindi ko yun bahay, kahit ilang taon lang ako doon nakatira. You know, 10 years plus 3 years. So, yun, sabi ko, matagal din akong nakaano doon. And, yun, hugas-hugas kasi, hindi ko na to oh, goodness. So, anyway guys, I think I'm not gonna eat dinner. So, hindi naman din ako gutom. So, hindi na tayo kakain. But anyway guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Napagod si kami. Hi baby, you drinking na wine and then you don't eat dinner. I'm not gonna eat dinner because I don't have rice.
What do you have to eat without rice?
No, I'm not hungry so. So anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog guys because we are just tired. Hey, end the vlog here.
Hey guys. I don't know if you can see me, I can't see me.
Yeah. Anyway guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kakaalis lang nila. It's already 8:33. Bye. Thank you. Hug.
Yeah.
I told Andrea about before we seal the house, when everything is clean, we're gonna gather over there for like
Party?
not party, like it's just like gather eating like a family thing for the last time, right?
Okay.
Hello, why that is red?
Red is good.
No, that means it's giving bad. Anyway guys, thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.